What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Maverick here. I hope you all are having an awesome day. So far, we got 6 things to get into today, so let's not waste any more time. Number 1 is being comfortable with your sexuality. What I mean by this is that if you're man enough, if you're comfortable with being a masculine man and who you really are deep down inside, then you don't care to show some of your more feminine characteristics. You're not afraid to admit when you see a handsome man or say, hey man, Chris Hemsworth is goddamn sexy.
This is a man. A handsome, muscular man.
If you're the type of guy that's always like, oh, that's gay, or no, he's not attractive, he's ugly, that's the first and most efficient way to show that you are insecure. The man who's comfortable with his sexuality also isn't afraid to show some of his more maybe feminine characteristics. Empathy, emotion, self-care. And that actually brings us to our next point, self-care. Taking care of yourself and your external appearance is one of the most efficient ways to show your high status on display. So I'm talking clothes that fit well and are in style, nice posture, taking care of your skin and your hair and your nails. And that's where the sponsor of today's video comes in. So shout out to Tej Hanley. Tej Hanley is a subscription-based skincare company I've been working with for a while now. I actually tried their product about 2 years ago and I was so thrilled by it. I made a video about it, not even sponsored or anything. So thankfully they're throwing a bone my way now. But I just recommend starting with level 1. It comes with a morning and evening moisturizer, a daily face wash, and an exfoliating scrub. This is the easiest and simplest way to maximize your skin's potential. And it's so easy. You just sign up and then do nothing. You don't even have to move a muscle. They'll deliver everything you need for that month right to your door. So if you're in the search for a nice skincare regimen, then check out the link in the description. Use my code because I'm hooking you guys up with a sweet deal. Go check it out and use what I use on my face every single day. Not only does taking care of your appearance show that you are high status and make you look aesthetically pleasing, but it also shows that you're disciplined. You're not a slob who just rolls out of bed in the morning in a pile of Cheeto dust. The alpha male is regimented. He takes care of his appearance, his self-care inside and outside, regardless of his situation, whether he's, lounging around in his house or if he's going to a ball. Number 3, being comfortable with confrontation. By dictionary, confrontation is facing something and remaining unwavering. The leader of a group handles the confrontation. If a problem arises, look at the followers' heads and they turn and look at the leader because it is expected of him to handle it. He analyzes the problem, makes a decision, and then diminishes the problem. What do you think is more attractive to women? The man who's taking charge and handling the issue, or the man that's turning his head and looking at the leader for him to handle it? Choice is obvious. Our next habit actually kind of relates to our previous one, and that's the ability to fix things. And I'm talking physically. If something breaks down or wears out around the house, you basically have 2 options. You can get your hands dirty and fix that sucker, or you can delegate that and pay someone else to do it while you're kind of sitting around helplessly. What do you think your woman's gonna want to see you doing? She wants to see that you're not afraid to get your hands dirty, take charge, use that brain of yours, and take care of the problem. So if you don't know much about fixing things, I recommend you pick up the book, How to Fix Anything. It's on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Go check it out. You don't have to read it right now, but it's good to have on hand in case a problem arises. Decisiveness. Indecision is a primary characteristic of the beta male. Oh, I don't know. What do you think we should do? I don't know. What do you want to do? What do you guys think we should do? No, you make the decision. You are the leader, so you make the decision and you go your way, whether they follow you or not. Alpha of a group picks a decision and goes that way, whether it's the right decision or the wrong decision, good or bad. If you believe in yourself and your judgment fully 100% and you commit all the way through, it attracts women and it recruits followers. Women find it extremely attractive if you take control of a situation, so they don't even have to do any thinking. They're just along for the ride. And that brings us to our 6th and final habit of the attractive man, and that is not taking yourself too seriously. There's no amount of muscle and height and good looks that can make up for a good sense of humor and humility. All of those things are very surface level. It might attract a woman at first. She might think, oh, that guy's super handsome and he's tall. Ooh, I want to be with him, right? But then once she realizes what you're really like and you're not willing to let loose and have some fun, show who you really are, kind of make fun of yourself and just be a goofball like you probably are inside, I know I am, then she's gonna realize that and she's not gonna wanna stay with you. So I'm gonna let loose, have some fun, and be that goofy dude. And I recommend you guys do the same. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to check out Teach Hanley if you're trying to take your skincare to the next level. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and until next time, peace.